I am on a mission to find my perfect perfume match, and I am kicking off this journey with this video. I have about 7 scents lined up in this that cost about 90,000, and hopefully I would be able to use this to get my feet wet in the world of fragrances. So stay tuned for the video.
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I am going to be giving you guys a list, like a rundown of my favorite perfumes that I use, affordable budget friendly perfumes, and some that are a little on the pricier side. So stay tuned for the video. I have a collection of about 7 body scents here, and I'm going to start first with my oil perfumes, move on to my water-based perfume, and last but not the least will be my body spray. The first perfume, which by far is my favorite oil perfume, is from this brand called Naseem. Actually, all my perfumes are from Naseem, and this is Lamsa. Lamsa has this blend of floral, fruits, and musk. The top notes include bergamot and mandarin. It has floral notes that include jasmine. The base notes include sandalwood and some musk. This is my favorite oil perfume, and I love the blend. I love Naseem as a whole, but Lamsa stands out for me. The second oil perfume on my list is also from Naseem, and this is the Laeqa Oil Perfume. It has a blend of top notes that are citrusy, fruity notes that contain apple and pineapple. Then the base notes contain patchouli, ciderwood, and sandalwood. This is one of my least favorite perfumes. I used it for a bit, then I gifted it to my mom, but I do believe that other people would like this because I like the way it smelled on her. Very extremely long lasting. All of Naseem's oil perfumes, or oil perfumes in general, tend to be long lasting, so I gave this to her. I love the way it smells on her, but didn't really love it on me. The next oil perfume from Naseem that we have is called Daliya. Not my favorite as well, but I love the way it smells on other people. I also gifted this to my mom. This has top notes of citrus and oranges, and I am noticing a running theme with Naseem's oil perfumes. The top notes tend to be very fruity, and it has floral notes of rose, lily of the valley, white flower, and base notes of amber, ciderwood, and vanilla. The last oil perfume on the list is actually my second favorite, and it is again from Naseem. It is called Azhar, and this has a blend of top notes that have bergamot and orange, some green apples. It also has in the mid notes plum, strawberries, jasmine, and for the base notes we have like jam-packed ingredients: white musk, amber, patchouli, balsamic notes, vanilla. Something else I should note is the prices of all these oil perfumes. When I got them, they were at, I believe, 4,000 to 4,500 naira. They might have been at that price because I bought them all together, so maybe a discount came with it. Right now you should be able to see for about 5 to 6,000 naira, depending on where you get it or find it. Next perfume I have on the list is a water-based perfume, and it is a bit on the pricier side. It is the Red Door perfume by Elizabeth Arden. Now, this particular perfume is a classical floral perfume that I read was launched in 1989. It has top notes that have rose, lily of the valley. Then it has mid notes that have jasmine, lily of the valley, orange blossom. Then its base notes are amber and sandalwood. Now, this particular perfume, like I said, is something that you put on if you want to smell expensive, reserved for special events only, because this is extremely costly. With regards to how long it lasts, it is easily comparable to the oil perfumes. Oil perfumes, no matter how cheap or expensive it is always long lasting because it's oil based. But with water based perfumes, it is a little more tricky, but this one holds up to the oil perfumes. Get this for those special occasions and thank me later. The next water-based perfume I have is from Oleeu, and this perfume, I must say, is really long lasting, hypoallergenic, because I do struggle with allergic chronic rhinitis, and this does not trigger my allergies in any way, shape or form. The top notes of this is orange and grapefruit, like a mix of orange and grapefruit. Mid notes are soft lavender and jasmine. Then the base notes are creamy vanilla and amber with sandalwood. I really love the smell of this. This too is also really long lasting. Not as long as the oil perfumes, because I have had experiences in the past where I put on the oil perfume, let's say this month I didn't wash the shirt till like the following month, it still had the smell on it. This I do not think can do that, but it is pretty long lasting. Maybe 2-3 days it will still be smelling on your clothes. Love this for the price. Let me show you what the inside looks like. This is what the perfume looks like. The bottle is very uniquely made. Love this, very affordable, between the 5 to 7,000 naira range including shipping, and this was got on Jumia. Get this if you like soft smelling but long lasting fragrances that are a good blend of fruity, florally and creamy. The last item I have on my list is my body spray. This is what I wear for staying at home, and it is the Race London Venom body spray. If you're in Nigeria, maybe outside Nigeria, you should be familiar with this brand. They sell very good perfume, deodorant, body sprays that are also long lasting for body sprays, very good for home use. This has top notes of bergamot, lemon, apple, mid notes of geranium, cinnamon, and base notes of amber, vanilla, and ciderwood. I have a running theme with my body scents right now. They tend to have top notes that are citrusy, base notes that are woody and musky, creamy vanilla-y, then mid notes that are floral. This can be a little strong, so I tend to apply it in bits so that it doesn't overwhelm me and the people around me that smell it, because after all, I'm just using this for home. That's it with my perfume collection. I hope you enjoyed, and if you're considering buying any of these products, drop down in the comment section and let me know. I'm going to see you in my next video, and if there is any other perfume you would like me to review, let me know too in the comments. And love you. Choose.